Can you speak loudly?
Yes, loudly.
I want to record some information about you. What's your name?
My name is Jay Prakash.
Jay Prakash. Where are you from?
Sir, I am from Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Why are you here?
Sir, I said for want of a job I came here.
Huh?
For want of a job I came here. The persons who completely cheated me.
Who?
Here.
Here only.
Here only. My suitcase, briefcase, and my bag, everything is gone. And now I'm searching in order to go to Coimbatore again. Only matter of 165 rupees required.
What's your qualification?
Qualification, I did my Cambly University diploma.
Where?
London.
London. You did?
Yeah. And after that, now I am retired, sir. Now I'm running 67. Retired. Now I don't have any facilitation in order to go to Coimbatore again.
Still, how many days onwards you are baking?
Sir, I'm shy to say, but however I have to say, the last 4 years.
4 years onwards you are baking.
God has sent you for me.
Yeah. How much money you want now?
Only 200 rupees.
200 rupees is enough. This is 200 rupees for you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. You go to your hometown.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can join with your relatives.
Okay.
You can join with your family. Don't beg.
Don't beg, sir.
Okay.
I don't like to beg here.
You are the educator.
Yes, sir.
You are speaking fluently in English.
Yes, sir.
That's the great. This is for you. నీకేదో సహాయం చేయాలనిపించింది, అందుకనే వచ్చా. నీకోసం ఫుడ్ తీసుకొచ్చా. ఓకే. నీ దగ్గరికి వచ్చినప్పుడు తెలిసింది నాకు నువ్వు వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎడ్యుకేటర్ అని. ఐ రియల్లీ అప్రిషియేట్ యూ. I really love you.
Thank you.
Okay. God sent me to help you. Okay. What's your name?
Jay Prakash.
Jay Prakash. My name is Daya Sagar. Okay. I'm feeling very happy to meet you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Give me one hug.
Sir,
Give me one hug.
definitely.
Sure.
Sure.
Love you.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.
Take care about your health.
Sir.
Okay. Sure.
ఒక్క పూట అన్నం కోసం ఎదురు చూడడం, జానడంత ఊపిరి కోసం చేయి చాచడం, కడుపు కాలి కాలి ఇక్కడ బూడి తాగుతున్నా, మనిషి అన్న వాడికి మనసే లేకపోయేనన్నా.